The Mylists function notifies the user when the specified list is published or updated. The program divides the lists into two sections: High Court lists and Circuit Court provincial lists. The user simply selects the list or lists they wish to be notified about and then click the Update button at the bottom of the list. Note the separate update buttons for High Court and Circuit Court. With the Provincial Circuit Court, it is also possible to cherry-pick the type of list to be issued. In the event of your chosen list being published or updated, an alert will issue in the form of an email. The publication of the list does not necessarily mean you have a case in the list, but at least you know the list is published. You can also check the list from the dashboard by clicking on the blue hyperlink. You can use the Ctrl F function on your keyboard to open up a search box. Type in your firm name and it will highlight where your cases are in that list.